spare fuse. This was before here. There were two fuse of this travel adapter. One is for here and one is spare here. Okay, before the one here was being fired because my friend used this one. He put into the socket up to, let's if I remember correct, he put this as into 12 hours. Okay, this travel adapter was put into socket, or he plug it out, then the fuse was burned up to 12 hours. So if you will use this one, you will use only when it is ideal for 3 hours to 5 hours. Then you will remove it. Do not put this adapter into the plug permanently, okay, to avoid the burning of the fuse. So better of this travel adapter has its own spare fuse, so we can use this one to put it here. Okay, the one before I already throw it out, so we'll use this spare one. But before we will insert here, we should open it inside. If the wirings here is all, we will check it if it is damaged, or is the affected area only is on this outer part. So before we will put this spare fuse, we will make sure that the arrangement and the connections of the wirings inside is in normal form as well. Okay, thanks for watching.